Unit 2, Lesson 10. Track 9. What is your hobby?
Do you have a hobby? What is a hobby? Generally, this is something you do in your spare time for enjoyment and relaxation, rather than something you do to earn money. Though sometimes a hobby can turn into a job. Hobbies can include collecting things, doing something creative or artistic, playing sports and other games, or, of course, simply watching television. By continually participating in a particular hobby, one can acquire substantial skill and knowledge in that area. If you live near the river, you may enjoy swimming or fishing. On a sweltering hot day, there is nothing more refreshing than jumping into the cool water, and it's fun to race your friends to the other side. With enough practice, you may even get fast enough to train to enter competitions, and one day compete in the Asian Games or the Olympics, like Mohammad Ahmed Daye Al-Azawi did in 2012. If swimming sounds like too much hard work, fishing may be more your kind of hobby. Traditionally, fishing is something fathers often enjoyed teaching their sons. Many people find there is nothing more relaxing than sitting next to a beautiful lake or river, watching nature and feeling part of it. If you are really lucky, you may even catch something to take home for dinner. Being creative and making things can also be extremely enjoyable. Jewellery making is a hobby which goes back many hundreds of years. You can make beautiful necklaces, bracelets and earrings using many different materials, including silver, glass beads and even shells. They make wonderful gifts for your family and friends too. Another ancient craft still popular in many homes is blanket weaving. Many communities share a loom, and you can create beautiful patterns using wool, felt, silk or mohair. The patterns on the blankets can vary from region to region, and popular colours are bright reds, oranges, browns, yellows and blues. You need a lot of patience for this hobby, as it takes a long time to make one blanket. But it is something for your family to treasure for generations.